98% of new YouTube channels fail, and it's not because they are not putting in work or because of bad luck. But the thing is that most creators are making the same critical mistakes that stops their growth even before they get started. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly why so many channels crash and burn out, and what you can do to make sure yours is not one of them. Okay, guys, let's get into it. But before then, my name is Jogbewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is something you like, feel free to go through my other videos and subscribe to the channel and like these videos as well, okay? Because my videos will be helpful for you. So, a lot of new YouTubers actually give up even way before getting to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Guys, I'm going to be telling you 5 main habits that is actually destroying small YouTube channels, okay? Now, the first one is trying to please everybody. Yes, a lot of new YouTubers want to actually please everybody, but that's not even possible. You cannot please everybody. That's just the truth. Maybe you saw this particular video that is trending, you get on it. The other one, you get on it. It's not actually like that. You need to niche down, okay? People that actually like your niche, they will definitely come and watch your videos, guys. Do you understand me? Viewers subscribe to your channel because of what they see in your channel. They enjoy it. That's why they subscribe. So if you keep changing your channels every week, you will confuse both the viewers and the algorithm. Do you understand me? And then the YouTube algorithm will stop pushing your videos and the viewers will stop watching your content. Before you know it, you get tired because you're not getting the kind of engagement that you want. Do you understand me? So what I will advise in this category is find and stick to a niche. At the very beginning, let your viewers know what your channel is all about, what to expect from you, when to expect it. Do you understand me? But if you have finally gathered all of your audience to some level where you know at least a viral point, you can start branching out a little to different niche, just putting in some different spice about yourself. But at that initial stage, please pick a niche. I saw a YouTube channel where this creator has over 75 videos. At least a major part of the videos, in fact all of the videos were like on different topics. Okay, today she posts about counseling, about relationship, the next time how to make money, the next time how to get views on YouTube, the other video is just scattered. It's not supposed to be like that, guys, because your audience will not really know what you're talking about. So what you do is to niche down. Don't be posting random topics, different videos on different niche. Creating or getting money on YouTube is a different niche, or how to make money is a different niche. That's under finance. Talking about relationship, that's also under relationship. Giving inspiration, that's under inspiration. They're just different niche. Do you understand me? Basically different niche that she's posting videos on. And then teaching how to get views on YouTube, telling you which crypto to buy. What exactly are you teaching about? What is your niche? So niche down. Do you understand me at this point? Especially as a small YouTuber. Or else the algorithm will get tired and confused of you, and so will your viewers. And now the next thing that new YouTubers do is over focusing on perfections. You know, you want to start as a new creator, but you want to be perfect at the very start. You're not obeying the rules. Okay, perfection does not come overnight. It doesn't come one day. Practice actually makes perfect. And how do you practice? By posting. And how do you post? By writing a script and creating it into a video. So consistency in posting, or your continuation in posting, is what brings perfection to you. Do you understand me? So that first or that initial stage of creating, you might not be so focused because you are a new YouTuber, unless you've been on YouTube before, like you have other channels that you have actually grown up to 1,000 subscribers. But if it's your first time in creating a channel, guys, you will not be so perfect. Mr. B said so that your first few videos are going to suck, and every other creators agree with him. He said from your first to your 100 videos that they are going to suck. They're not going to be so good. That from your 101 video, you cannot sit down and look back at how much work you've done and start saying you are a creator. Do you understand me? That means at that initial stage, there is no perfection. Just focus on creating. Do you understand me? Because wanting your videos to be too perfect is not something that's going to help you as a new creator. It will just make you get tired, and you might eventually get frustrated and abandon YouTube. Your first set of videos are going to suck, and everyone knows this, so nobody's going to blame you. So what I would advise is focus on creating not perfect videos, rewatch your videos and take note of all of your mistakes. And then the last point is for you to correct that mistakes in your next videos, in your next upload. And with all of this, you'll become a pro in no time, guys. Now, the next habit that makes you new YouTubers fail is inconsistent upload schedule. A consistent upload schedule is key to knowing your channel. Do you understand me? Your viewers should know when to expect a video from you, and the YouTube algorithm should also know when to expect a video from you, because the truth is that the algorithm actually loves consistency. Okay, the more you show up, the more the algorithm shows up for you and knows you. So every inconsistent upload schedules should be put aside. Draft out your upload schedule. Okay, write it, the one that can actually favors you, that works best for you. Write it out, and then you will see your channel growing. You will not be frustrated to actually give up, because you'll be seeing the growth. Do you understand me? Now, the next habit that actually frustrates new YouTubers: neglecting titles and thumbnails. Titles and thumbnails should be the first thing you think about before even creating any videos, because your titles and your thumbnails is your packaging. That is what drags audience, drags viewers to your channel. Do you understand me? If your title is not interesting, if it's not optimized enough, or your thumbnail is boring, it's not attractive, people will keep clicking off. They will not watch your videos, guys. So make sure you settle down and do your research. If you have creators that have created about a particular topic before, go ahead and check their videos, check their titles, check their thumbnails, check what they did special that made them had that kind of views. Do you understand? And then do something similar to it, but make sure you add your own spice, and then you will see yourself getting views and all of the visibility. Now, the last point is ignoring your analytics. A lot of new YouTubers do this. YouTube Studio is your best friend when you are starting out, and the same way is also not your best friend. I will explain that. Okay, YouTube Studio actually shows you everything that has to do with your videos, your channel, how you're growing, why you are growing, and what you are doing that is making you grow. So you need to check your analytics to see what your video is telling you. Do you understand me? Because there are sometimes YouTube algorithm will tell you that this video is reaching a wider audience. That's why the click-through rate is low. There are sometimes they will tell you, oh, this video is not even reaching any audience. It's advisable for you to change the thumbnails or the title so you can reach people. And surprisingly enough, when you obey and you change your titles or your thumbnails, you will see that video picking up. You will start getting views on that particular video. So it's your YouTube analytics or your YouTube Studio that tells you all of this. Do you understand me? To tell you where your views are coming from, the content that are suggesting your videos, the YouTube search terms that are suggesting your video. So it's important to put search terms. Do you understand? Now, the reason why I say it's not your best friend in another way is because most people get stalked. Okay, from checking the analytics, they get stalked, and when you see that there is not much growth coming all of it as you at once, you might get tired and frustrated and fail at YouTube. So don't get stalked. Do you understand me? So getting stuck doesn't make YouTube Studio your best friend. What you need to do is just to use it to improve your channel. That is the best friend I'm talking about. Do you understand me? When you are done using it to improve your videos and your channel, you move ahead and create other videos. Do you understand me? Guys, if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share these videos to your other people, drop your questions, contributions in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.